You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, man. As you may know, man, it's time to cut, man. You feel me? But before I cut, man, you feel me? I had to do this little video right here, man. This video right here, man, I'm gonna show you how I prep my hair and everything before I cut. You feel me? What I do before I cut. And I ain't gonna even count to y'all, man. It's a lot of stuff that happened in this video. This video right here is like one of the ratchetest, most ghetto videos I did.
Oh my God!
But I made it work, you feel me? So I put something together. I shot that video at Mondu crib. Tell me why I forgot the tripod to hold the camera, man.
You suck!
Out of all things, I forgot the tripod that hold the camera, man. I ain't gonna even count to y'all, man. I had to hold the camera like this while I was...
Boy, if you don't get...
It was bad, but I made it work, man. So, I apologize. I do this like 2 or 3 days before I get a haircut, man. So let's get into the video, man. Gang. Alright, gang, man. Hey, we're gonna hop right into it. The comb I'm using came straight out of Walmart. You already know what's going on. It's just a regular rat tail comb, so we're gonna get into the comb session, man. But your boy looking rough as a mud right now. But look, I always comb my hair up before I get into the wash. So the shampoo I'm using, man, it don't really matter. It don't have to be this shampoo as long as it work for your hair. You feel me? You might notice the first wash is not gonna be that soapy. You feel me? But right after this, you feel me? You gonna rinse it out and apply it again, and you gonna notice. You gonna notice, God. But you see it, but it, man, it's soapy. But I'm gonna grab it on this shower brush. You feel me? I picked this up at a local beauty supply, and I'm gonna massage my scalp with it. You feel me? Ooh, yeah. You feel me? If you ain't got now one of them, man, you gotta get one of them. You gonna rinse that out and just towel dry your hair. You feel me? And you see these naps on my head, man. But yeah, man, you wanna grab your deep conditioner and apply it and brush it in with that shower brush that I got, and real smooth. You feel me? Right after that, you wanna wait and let the conditioner do the work, man. You feel me?
A few moments later.
Okay, right after that, man, you wanna rinse that out, and then you wanna apply some more shampoo. And now it's time to style these things, man. You feel me? Time to get these things looking right. Also, if you just starting getting waves, man, I would recommend you strimmer washing until your pattern is set, man. You feel me? So right after that, you grab an old brush and lay them things down. This how it should be looking after it laid down. You feel me? And right after that, you want to rag up, double compress, man. You already know what's going on. I see better results when I double compress, and we're gonna rinse it out and towel dry our hair just like that. You feel me? Now the next step after this is very important. Do not unrag until your hair is completely dry.
6.5 hours later.
If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. I'm your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm out of here. Gang.